In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to moderate product reviews. So what we're going to do is navigate over to our AI by clicking on AI over here on the left-hand side. We're going to come here to our product reviews moderation setting, turn that on and hit save. So now what I'm going to do is quickly navigate to my website and place an order there. And then I'm quickly going to navigate over to products over here on the top right, and I'm going to purchase this cat hat. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some information. So I'm just going to say, that's sure, demo.com. I can't type at all today. And we'll say, Heather demo. I'm in South Africa. We'll say I'm in the Eastern Cape. And I'm going to add the rest of my information that I need to add in here. There we go. And then I'm going to select my free shipping method and then my payment method. I'm just going to go ahead and select the wire transfer option and I'm going to place that order. So now that I have placed this order and I've purchased this product, I can go ahead and leave a review. So what I'm going to do is navigate back to products and I'm just going to click on see the details here and I'm going to leave a review for this product. So I'm going to click add review. I'm going to add my email. I'm going to say heather@demo.com and I'm going to go ahead and say, oh, wow, I love this product. It is so cute. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit add review. And you'll see that that's actually been automatically reviewed. So if I navigate back to the system side, and I come here to my products and I click on reviews, you'll see that AI has automatically approved that comment. Now, if I go back to my product side and let me come here to my products, see the details, I think I can add a separate review. I'm now going to do the same thing, heather@demo.com, and I'm going to say, this is cheaply made. You can get something better on my website, coolcats.com. Buy from me instead. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit that review. We'll add that review. And you'll see that that review is now not showing up, and it's probably because my AI has declined it. So I'm going to navigate back to my backend, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. And there you go. You'll see that that comment, that review has been declined automatically by my AI. So that is how you can use the AI to automatically moderate your product reviews.